Ever wondered how creatures of the air first took flight? Let's explore the evolution of wings in birds and bats. In birds, wings evolved from forelimbs, granting the ability to glide through the air, escaping predators and reaching new heights. Feathers played a crucial role, evolving for insulation initially, then adapting to enable flight. Bats took a different path, their wings evolving from skin stretched between elongated fingers, mastering the night skies. This membrane, or patagium, enabled bats to maneuver with precision, hunting insects or fruits in complete darkness. Despite their differences, both birds and bats exhibit the power of evolution, adapting their flight mechanisms over millennia. Wings, in their many forms, remind us of life's ability to adapt, evolve, and conquer the skies. A testament to nature's resilience.